This video is about crimping copper. I found some dragonfly blanks that I'd cut out some time ago. So I decided that I wanted to make these different compared to how I had done dragonflies in the past. These are copper plant dragonflies I have in my display. One day I was experimenting and tried crimping them. And I wasn't sure whether I liked them or not. Put some in the gallery, and they sold out in a couple of days. To begin, I used this rotary tool with the crimping rolls. Most people are not going to have a sheet metal rotary tool. And then I remembered that I had this single blade crimper. It's not as convenient, and it takes a bit more time, but it only costs about $25 compared to over $300 for the rotary tool. I'm always looking for ways to add interest and dimension to my pieces. And this is a low-cost tool that you may want to have in your tool collection. Now these are the first pieces I've done with a hand crimper, so bear with me. As in anything else, they will improve with practice. Incidentally, you can get a 2-bladed crimper, a 3-bladed crimper, and a 5-bladed crimper. The single blade crimper is the only one that I have. Now with this leaf, I see some possibilities where the single blade crimper will be better than the rotary tool. Now this crimper may work well on dogwood blossoms, or again, it may not. The results? Not too bad, but there is room for improvement. Do a Google search for Malco SC-1 crimper. You'll find a number of places that sell these.